So the next thing which we are going to learn is the dimension tool. This tool can actually be used to measure or show distances between 2 points in SketchUp. It is located right beside the tape measure tool. Let's select it from here. The way this tool actually works is that you just need to select the corners between which you want to show the distance, and then just click again to place the distance. You can also place dimensions for the diameter of the circle. Just click on the edges, and after that just click anywhere inside or outside of the circle. Let's undo this and place distance for the radius of the circle. In order to do so, click on the center of the circle and second anywhere on the edge. And there we have it. You can also place dimensions for the triangle. The dimension settings can also be changed. In order to change the settings, just go to Window, then Model Info, click on Dimensions, and from here you can adjust your settings.